Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com, and today our lecture topic is sense organs, and I am Dr. Hammad Haider and hope so it's gonna be a very good lecture. In this lecture, we have 5 sections. As per our section 1 includes sensory pathway. We're going to be discussing how the sensory pathways are formed, what are the types, what are the different parts of the sensory pathway. Then the second, we'll be going through the characteristics of sensation, what is their projection, what is their other characteristics, what are the cutaneous sensors, and what is referred pain. Why some visceral pain is actually referred over the skin, and why do we, when the patients complain of certain pain in certain areas, we know most likely this viscera would be involved. In the second section, we'll be going through some of the sense of smell and taste. We'll be going through the olfactory pathway and how the olfactory pathway conducts the sense of smell. Then we'll be going through the gustatory pathway as well, and what are the receptors which are present on the tongue, and how the gustatory pathway is actually formed and what the conductions occur. Then in the third section, we'll be going through the eye. We'll be going through the anatomy of the eyelids and the lacrimal apparatus. We'll be going through the eyeball, its layers and its cavities, and what are the muscles attached on the eye. And then we'll be briefly discussing the physiology of vision. In the fourth section, we'll be going through the ear. We will be dividing our discussion based on the external, middle, and internal ear, and what are its functions and what are the structures which are present, and how actually the maintenance of equilibrium and conduction of sound is done by the inner ear. Then in the last section, we'll be going through the clinical perspectives. We'll be going through what is glaucoma briefly, and what are the errors of refraction, that is what is nearsightedness or myopia, or what is farsightedness and hypermyopia. And then in the last, we'll be going through the deafness, what is central deafness and what is conduction deafness or nerve deafness. We'll be going through the different types of the deafness. Thank you very much. Keep watching sqadia.com.